What is a capacitor, beta? A device which is used to store the charge.
Yes.
Isn't it? Device which is used to store the charge particulation. So if I'm talking about your capacitor right now in this one, whatever the charge you are giving to the conductor, a capacitor having a certain charge means the conductor at certain higher potential having a charge of your both positive and as well as of your negative. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
So charge stored is directly proportional to your potential applied. Removing the proportionality constant, we get some constant known as of your C.
Yes.
C is known as of your capacitance. C is equals to your charge stored per your unit potential. Okay.
Yes,
and
sir.
Unit of this one is charge is measured in your coulomb. Potential is measured in your volt. 1 coulomb per volt is known as of your 1 farad. Represented by letter capital A.
Yes.
Okay. Now see, this capacitance depends on shapes and sizes beta. Okay, it depends
Yes.
upon your shapes and size of the conductors and also the nature of insulating materials between them. Okay, I mean to say that it can be depending upon the geometrical factors how it is being made. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Symbol of this one is, this is the basic symbol of capacitor.
Yes.
This is your positive terminal, negative terminal. So charge is stored here right now, and here it is your negative charge. Clear? Huh?
Yes.
Isn't it? Now, what is the charge stored on each surface of this one, beta? Surface charge density. Sigma is equals to your charge by your area. Isn't it? A is nothing but area of your each plate on which the charge is been stored. So whenever a capacitor is storing the charge, there will be an electric field in between this one, beta. So there is an electric field in this one. So that electric field is given by the formula E is equals to sigma by your epsilon naught. Right? So that is equals to sigma. Sigma is equals to Q by A into your epsilon naught. Now what is the relation between electric field and electric potential, beta? E is equals to your V by your D. The relation between electrostatics law, relation between electric field and electric potential is E is equals to your V by D. Now see the capacitance formula. C is equals to your Q by your V. That is equals to Q divided by V is equals to, I can write as E into D.
Yes.
That is equals to Q divided by E value is how much beta? Q divided by A into your epsilon naught into your D. This Q and this Q will get cancelled. So capacitance will become for me C is equals to your epsilon naught into your A divided by D. So this is your capacitance. Okay, no? So C is equals to your epsilon naught into your A into your D. So this is the first formula which you need to remember. C is equals to epsilon naught into your A divided by D. That means C depends upon the geometry of the capacitor. And if the space between the capacitor contains the air, then capacity will always remain for me constant beta. This is the capacitance for your air or maybe your vacuum. Okay, yes. Sure. Next one and very important formula beta. Force between the plates of capacitors. Force between plates of capacitors. Okay, let's see if I'm taking this one as capacitors like this. This is one capacitor here, and this is your another capacitor here.
Yes.
Okay, and charge is stored on this one beta. This is your +1, and this one is -. Okay, and this is the first plate, and this one is your second plate. If I'm talking about the force on this plate beta, because electric field will be existing, so direction of the electric field is in this direction. That is nothing but of your E bar. And force acting on this conductor is because of the field. So F is equals to your E into your Q. What is the electrostatics? Yes. So between 1 and 2, the electric field is given by the formula E is equals to sigma by 2 times of your epsilon naught. That is equals to sigma. I can write in terms of charge beta. This 2 times of your epsilon naught.
Yes.
Force on each plate will be equal to how much better? F is equals to your Q into your E. So F is equals to Q into electric field is nothing but Q divided by 2 into epsilon naught into your E. So force how much I'm getting right now beta? Force between the plates of the capacitor is equals to your Q square divided by 2 times of your epsilon naught into your area. So this is the force existing between the two parallel plate capacitors in terms of your charge. And this one is towards your left side beta. The diagram I have drawn here, this is your towards left side because of the second plate, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
I'm talking about only second plate. After I'm talking about first plate, then the force will be towards the right side right now, like that. Okay, na?
Yes,
Chalo. Can I write even the force like this, beta? F is equals to, this one is q square by 2 epsilon naught into your A kada. This one is q square by 2 times of your epsilon naught into your A. Can I write the charge in terms of your capacity, beta? Q
yes,
is
sir.
equals to C into V whole square divided by 2 into your epsilon naught into your E. That means capacity will be equal to how much? Epsilon naught into your A divided by D into your V. So this will become for me whole square divided by 2 times of your epsilon naught into your E. And then those into force. So force will come out for me. F is equals to your epsilon naught square. This one is your A square V square divided by, this one is your D square into 2 epsilon naught into A. This square epsilon naught, this A and this square will get cancelled. So force will be equal to your how much, beta? Half of your half of your epsilon naught ఒకటి మిగిలిపోయింది కదా అక్కడ,
Yes,
epsilon
sir.
naught into A into your V
V
by
square.
D square.
Yes, sir.
V by D
V
can be taken
square.
as in terms of electric field, beta.
Yes, sir.
So F is equal to, how can I write? F is equals to your half into epsilon naught A into your E square రాసుకోవచ్చు.
Yes, sir.
So this is the force in terms of your electric field. Okay, so this is the one of the important formula you need to remember in terms of your area and in terms of your electric field part of relation. And basic standard formula is F is equals to your Q square divided by 2 times of your epsilon naught. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Next one. Energy stored in capacitor. Energy means a form of work, kada? Because
Yes,
when you're storing the capacitor means you are doing certain amount of your work. So how do you calculate the work done by the general formula? So work done will be equal to your charge stored for certain potential, that is nothing but of your V into your dq. First year lo mana electrostatics la rasham mana V is equals to your dw divided by your dq. Work done to bring a unit positive charge from the point of your influence
Yes.
is known as of your potential V.
Potential.
So
Yes, sir.
dw is equals to V into your dq. So can I write the potential in terms of charge, beta? So this will become for me dw is equals to your dq into V is equals to, can I write in terms of your charge by your capacity? Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
C is equals to Q by V. So V is equals to your Q by C by definition. Now for total work done, what I can write, beta? So W is equals to, just integrate it. So integral of dw, that is equals to integral from 0 to your total charge anukundaam. So this will become how much for me? Your 1 by C into your, this one is Q into your dq. 1 by
Yes,
C
sir.
constant kada, by D is kocheshi. So this will be equal to your work done is equals to 1 by C is your constant. Integral of your Q into your dq. Limit is from 0 to Q. Integral of Q into dq is how much, beta? Integral of your x to the power of
X
n
to
into
the
dx
n.
is equals to your x
X
n plus
n
1
plus
divided
1.
by
Yes.
n plus 1. So integral
Yes.
of your q into your dq, that means power here. So this will be q into 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1.
1 plus
That
1.
means
Yes,
this
sir.
will become for me q square divided by 2. So
Yes,
this will
sir.
become for me q square divided by 2 and limits are 0 to q. So work done will be equal to how much, beta? This one is upper limit minus lower limit, q square divided by 2c. So this is the work done.
Yes, sir.
So this is the work done which is being stored in the form of what? Energy. So this work done is being stored in the form of what? Electric potential energy, I can say. This work is stored as electric potential energy. Okay, so that I'm
Yes,
writing as U is equals to your Q square divided by 2C. Can I even write like this one? Because C is equals to Q by V. Kada? So
Yes,
Q
sir.
is equals to C into V, right? So this is also
Yes.
written as of your C square V square divided by 2C. EC square వెళ్ళిపోతే ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది? C into V square by 2 అని కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా? Isn't it? So
Yes.
energy is also equal to your half into C into V square. This is also one of the form in terms of capacitance. In terms of charge, this is your this one. So this can also be written in terms of right now, beta, U is equals to, if I'm still simplifying this one, so this will be equal to your half into your, can I write the C in terms of Q by V, beta? C is equals to your Q by V into your V square. This one and this square will get cancelled. So this is also equal to what, beta? Q into V divided by 2. Ona?
Yes, sir.
Means U is equals to how much for me? Half into Q into your V. So this is also one more form of your energy. So these are the different forms of your energy stored in the capacitor in terms of half Q into V, in terms of half into C into V square, in terms of your Q and as well as of your capacitance part.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sure. Through the next one and one more very important term that is known as of your energy density. Energy density between the plates. What do you mean by energy density? ఇది మన ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ లో కూడా వచ్చింది. Energy density means energy stored per your unit volume. Okay,
Yes,
na? So this one is energy density is equals to your energy stored by
per unit
volume
volume.
of capacitor.
Yes, sir.
Volume of capacity. ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఎనర్జీ డెన్సిటీ వస్తే డైరెక్ట్ గా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవడమే. ఎనర్జీ డెన్సిటీ is represented by letter U. That is equals to energy stored is how much for me beta? Half into C into V square divided by volume. Volume will be equal to your area into your distance. అవునా కదా? So that is equals to your half into C is equals to what beta? Epsilon naught into your A divided by your D into your V square divided by A into your D. So this will become for me how much? Energy density will become how much for me beta? A and A will get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
So this will become for me U is equals to your half into epsilon naught into
D square.
this one is your V
D
square
square
by
is-
D square. V
Yes.
square divided by D square. V by D can be written as of what? Electric field kada?
Electric field,
So
yes.
energy density is equals to half into epsilon naught into your E square. So this is your energy density. Clear? So energy density means U is equals to half into your epsilon naught into your E square part of a relation. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Chalo. Now if I'm talking about the capacitors in your series and as well as of your parallel combination. Next slide. Combination of capacitors. Combination of capacitors. First one, if I'm going, that is about your series combination. Okay, if capacitors are connected, something like this, beta, you see. This is one capacitor, this is your one capacitor, and this is one capacitor, this is one capacitor, like this. Okay, na? So
Yes.
this is your terminal A and this is your terminal B. It is having a charge here plus Q and this plate will be minus Q. Again, this will be plus Q, this will be minus Q, this will be plus Q, and this will be minus Q. This will be plus Q and this will be minus Q because this will be connected to negative terminal and this will be connected to the positive terminal. Capacity
Yes.
of this one is C1, capacity of this one is C2, capacity of this one is C3, capacity of this one is C4. Potential of this one is from here to here, దీని potential V1, దీని potential V2, దీని potential వచ్చేసి V3 and దీని potential వచ్చేసి V4.
Yes.
So what is remaining same in this one beta? Capacitors are said to be same or it may be the same when the charge in this one is always remaining for me the same because there is no flow, there is no division of a charge in this one. So I can write in this one charge on each capacitor. Charge on your each capacitor is how much beta? Same,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? In series, potential of each capacitor is different, isn't it? So total
Yes, sir.
potential will be equal to V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4, go on like that one. So can I write the potential in terms of your charge beta? So it is a Q by your C equivalent is equals to your Q by your C1 plus of your Q by your C2 plus of your Q by your C3 plus of your Q by your C4. Everywhere charge is same, so that will get cancelled for this one. So 1 by C equivalent will become how much for me beta? 1 by C equivalent will be equal to your 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus 1 by C4. So this is your equivalent capacitance. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
So in equivalent capacitance of this one, the effective is been calculated by the formula 1 by C equivalent is equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus 1 by C4 part of relation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Keep a small note in this one. Beta. So the first point, very important. C equivalent is always lesser than minimum value of C1, C2, C3, C4, so on. అంటే C1, C2, C3, C4 ఏదైతే మినిమం ఉంటుందో దానికంటే కూడా తక్కువ మనకు C equivalent వస్తుంది.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? So C equivalent of capacitor will always be smaller than the minimum values of your C1, C2, and C3. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? If two capacitors are connected in parallel series like this, like say if this is one and this one, directly I can use one shortcut formula. This is your A, this is your B, then capacity C1, then capacity C2. So 1 by C equivalent will be equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So C equivalent LCM, I can write this one as what, beta? C1, C2 divided by C1 plus C2. అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir.
LCM kanaka తీసుకుంటే I can directly write this step here right now. So for two capacitors, directly you can take this relation and try to arrange or get the answer for that one. Okay, na?
Yes.
Chalo. In the same way, if I'm having n identical capacitor, n identical capacitors, okay, then C equivalent will become how much better? C by your n. Okay, 10 unte C by 10, 5 unte C by 5, like that.
Okay,
Clear?
sir.
So in series, if the value of capacitance are increase or decrease, better, equivalent capacitance also increases or decreases. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Like say in the above question, if I say that C1, comma C2, comma C3, comma C4 are increased. Okay, then C equivalent also increases. Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
Well, decrease either, that is also decrease. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So that was about your series combination part. These are basic things you need to remember in the capacitors when they have been connected in the series combination. The next one is nothing but of your parallel combination. In parallel combination, charge will not be same beta. There will be the division. This will be your parallel combination. How to identify series and parallel? Ante, if you are seeing the circuit, if you feel that there is no division of the charge, then that will be your series. If there is a division of charge, that will be your parallel. Adhamainda?
Yes, sir.
If you are seeing that, if there is, see in this one, what is happening is whatever charge is entering at your A, the same charge is coming out, then it will be in series. Okay, na? If you see the division of the charges, like if 10 liters of water is going 2 in one pipe, then that will be called as of what? Parallel combination. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. In the parallel combination, I can write one point. Potential of each capacitor. Different or same? Same. In
Yes,
series
sir.
combination, it is different. V is equal to
Different.
V1 plus V2 plus V3. But in parallel combination, V1 will be equal to V2, V2 will be equal to V3, V3 will be equal to your V4, go on like that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Charge on each capacitor will be same or different, beta? Charge on all capacitors. Or what? Different.
Yes, sir. Because it's coming, it's in.
Yeah, it is
parallel.
dividing about.
Yes, sir.
Provided capacitance are also different. Provided capacitors are different. Okay, now.
Yes,
ఇప్పుడు
sir.
మన దగ్గర 5 liters ఆఫ్ బకెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకో, నువ్వు 10 liters ఇస్తే ఆ 5 అనేది ఈక్వల్ గా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ అవుతుంది కదా.
Yes, sir.
ఒక 10 coulombs ఆఫ్ చార్జ్ ఇస్తే దీంట్లో 5 దాంట్లో 5 పోతుంది, అవునా కదా? సో
Yes.
capacitors on the charge on the capacitors are only different provided the capacitors are also different for me. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and when the capacitors are parallelly better rearranged by a single capacitor, like say for example it is combination is given for me like this. There is one capacitor like this, there is one capacitor like this, one above the other. Okay, so this everything will be connected to your one single plate like this. Okay, so this is your terminal A and this is your terminal B. If this is positive and this is your negative, beta, see here, this one is also positive, this one is also positive, this one is also positive, and this one will be your negative, this one will be your negative. Potential throughout each will be the same. whatever the charge I'm giving right now, if this is C1, this is C2, and this is C3. So charge will also be here right now Q1, here it will be Q2, and here it will be your Q3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this completely can be represented by your one single capacitor. Beta. This can be represented by your one single capacitor like this. Okay, this is plus Q, and this one is minus Q, because all the plates are connected. So this can be replaced by your one single capacitor. This will be point A and this will be a point B.
Yes.
So whenever parallel are being given, try to make it as one single capacitor part of relation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in capacitor, potentials in each capacitor is what? Same. So charge on capacitors are different, provided the capacitors are also different for me. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, how do you write the combination beta? In this one, charges will be same or different? Total charge will be equal to your Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
So whatever the charge I have given Q, that is getting divided into Q1 into Q2. Now, how do you write the charge beta? Q is equals to C into your C effective into your V is equals to C1 potential is V, C2 into V plus C3 into V. Everywhere potential will get cancelled. So C effective will be coming out for me how much better? C1 plus C2 plus C3. So this will be the capacitance in the parallel combination. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So for n capacitors, C in parallel will become how much better? N times of C,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So this is your series, this is your parallel combination. C effective in your parallel P. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Let us try to do some problems on this one. First one, Joel. Find equivalent capacitance between A and B. Okay, so this is a capacitor which I'm giving you. One capacitor is here, one capacitor is here, down also one capacitor is here, one capacitor is here, and this is connected to terminal B and this is connected to terminal A. When nothing is being given until this should be positive and this should be your negative. Then capacity 3C, then capacity 6C, then capacity 9C, then your capacity వచ్చేసి 18C. Now tell me. See beta. C and 6C, they are in the same combination. Paka pakane unnai kada. So this will
Yes,
be
sir.
which combination beta? Series combination.
Yes, sir.
And 9 and 8 are also which combination?
Series, sir.
Series combination.
These two again?
So
They
yeah,
are
series
in
combination
parallel.
ante 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6. Antena?
Yes, sir.
So this can be taken as one single capacitor now. Above one can be taken as one single capacitor. And below one
Below
can
one
also
can
be
be
taken also of your one single capacitor.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the terminal B and this is your terminal A. So what will be the value beta? This will be
2,
here
sir.
3
Above
into
2.
6 divided by 3 plus 6. Idanతా
Yes,
వస్తుంది
sir.
2C.
2, sir.
ఇదంతా వస్తుంది. This one will be 9C into your 18C divided by this will be 9C plus of your 18C. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
ఎంత అవుతుంది చూడు ఇది?
Six, sir.
6C. Okay, that means ultimately this one is 6C and this one is your 2C. Then they are one above the other kada. That means this will become for me how much better? This is one capacitor here and this is also one capacitor here. And this is your terminal B and this is your terminal A. So this is how much? 2C and this one is your 6C. They are in which combination beta? They are in which combination? These two are one over the other. So they are in your parallel combination.
Yes, sir.
When they are in parallel combination, so C effective will come out for me how much beta? C effective will come out for me how much?
1
2
by 6.
plus 6,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So that will be equal to your 8C.
8C. Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Parallel kada, directly add
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Directly adding. Yes, sir. Series as well.
Yeah. Sure. One more question. Same. C effective across A and B. Okay, na? See first one. If I'm giving the shape like this. There is one capacitor here, 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 and there is one capacitor here. Okay, so ikkada oka capacitor పెడుతున్నాం మనము, ikkada oka capacitor, ikkada oka capacitor, here there is one capacitor, and here there is one capacitor. This is terminal A and this is your terminal B. What do you mean by terminal A and terminal B? And indirectly this is connected to positive and this is connected to negative.
Yes.
Capacity of this one I'm giving as 8C, this one is your 3C, this one is your 6C, this one is your 6C, and this one is your 24C. Okay, na? So I need to calculate the effective capacitance across your A and as well as of your B. Now till C. See this one beta, how I'm doing. The current from this one will go like this. It will come here. The moment it comes here, it gets divided here.
Yes, sir.
So the same current is going in this one. Here also, here also. There is no division of current in 6C and 3C. That means there is no division. Means what will be this combination beta? They are side by side right now for now. So what will be? They will be
series, sir.
Series combination. So this will be in series combination. Series combination means what? 3C into 6C divided by your 3C plus of your 6C.
2C.
3 6 this one is 18C divided by 6 plus 3 is how much?
9C, which is 2C.
9. How much? 6 plus 3 is how much?
9C, sir.
9C. This one will get cancelled. This will become for me how much?
2C.
2C.
2C. Yes.
2C kada is square అవుతుంది.
Yes.
C square kada. So this will be your 2C.
Yes.
Square ఒకటి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. Okay?
Yes.
దాని తర్వాత this 2C and 6C, if I'm drawing the diagram right now.
They are parallel.
Yeah.
8C we can
So this will be in middle one beta. Okay, and here this one is right now like this. This one is how much we got? 2C, and this one is nothing but 6C. And there is a capacitor right now here, and this one is like this here. This is terminal B, and this is your terminal A. This is your 8C, this is your 24C. Now these two are in which combination?
Parallel, sir. So 8C
Parallel.
will get.
So they are in parallel combinations. Effective will be 2C plus 6C. This will be equal to how much?
8C.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Now we
ultimately,
can do
so this will become for me ultimately like
8 into 8 into
so this one
24.
is one capacitor, and here is one capacitor, down is one capacitor. This is terminal B, this is terminal A, this is your 8C, idantha chindi 8C, and this one is 24C. C
Yes.
effective doesn't. All of them are in which combination? Series combination kada. So 1 by C effective will be equal to your 1 by
1
8C
by 8
plus 1 by
1
your
by
8C plus 1 by your 24C.
24C.
అవునా
Yes.
కదా? So ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడు?
So we can take LCM as
1 by 8C యాడ్ చేసే తొందరగా
yes, sir.
ఎంత వస్తుంది అది? 2 by 8C కదా?
Yes, sir.
చేయొచ్చు అట్లా?
Yes, sir. Cheyot, sir. That,
అనే కదా? So that will become
Yes,
for me
sir,
how much?
LCM
2
is
by 8C.
2 by 8C.
ఇచ్చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది?
let's see, 8 4 3 starts with 3 to 5 by two by 4 we can take it out. Seven by 20.
I'll tell you one shortcut formula for this one. 3 numbers
7
LCM.
by 20. 7 by 20.
7 by 5.
7 by 24. So
1 by C effective ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు like say this is 1 by C1, 1 by C2 and 1 by C3 ఇలా వచ్చింది అనుకో. C effective
Yes.
will be equal to, here this one will be C1, C2, C3 divided by, this one is your
C1
C1
plus
C2 plus of
C
your
by
C2 into C3 plus of your C2 into your C1.
yes, sir.
You know? That's it. So C effective and C effective is equals to, this is 8 into 8 into 24 divided by C1 into C2. That means 8 into 8 plus C2 into C3. That means 8 into 24 plus C2 into your C1. C2 is nothing but 8 into your 8. Student, C effective. Chinna?
Yes, sir. 4.8, sir.
8 8 is 64. 64 into 24 and the I got this one as 1536 divided.
Yes, sir. 1536.
8 8
Yes,
is
sir.
64.
64.
It's 64. This one is right now for me plus. So 20.
192, sir.
Idan
192, sir.
190. 192 plus 8 8 is 64.
64. Yes.
This మొత్తం ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడు అసలు
64 plus 64, 128, sir. 128 plus 192, 320, sir.
So it is 1536 divided by enter 320.
320, sir.
So C
Yes,
effective is coming out for me
Approximately 5, sir.
approximately 5. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 5 units same ichchadu, microcoulombs same ichchadu, A and B. Nothing is being told, no? So it is
Yes,
C effective will be equal to how much for me, beta? ఎంత వస్తుంది 5C
Yes, sir. I see.
approximately.
Yes.
There are the calculation, maybe some mistake might have been taken because easy calculation అయిపోతుంది. ఇంత పెద్ద calculation రావు general గా అయితే మనం.
Okay.
ఓకేనా సింపుల్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ లో అయిపోతుంది.
Yes, sir.
ఓకేనా sure. So next one చూద్దాం ఇంకోటి సేమ్ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్. ఇది ట్రై చేయవు సార్ నువ్వు. So here there is one capacitor, there is one capacitor. This is your A and this is your B. So let me take here right now. This is one capacitor here, there 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 is one capacitor, one capacitor, one capacitor, one capacitor. So ikkado capacitor undi, ikkado capacitor undi, ikkado capacitor, ikkado capacitor, ikkado capacitor, ikkado capacitor. Here on capacitor, this one on capacitor, and this one is on capacitor. Values of this one are, say for example, this is 6C, this one is also 6C, this is 6C, this is 6C, this is 6C, this one is 6C, this one is also 6C, this one is 6C, and this one is also 6C. Okay, the 4C, 4C ichchadu mana madhyalo. So this one is 4C and this one is your 4C. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Last 3 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయి.
Sir, those are in series, sir. Last 3. So
These 3 are in which combination?
series, sir.
Series. So ఎంత అవుతుంది చూడు 1/6 1/6 1/6.
Yes, sir.
ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడు
6 into 6 into 6 divided by.
సిమిలర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పాను ప్యారలెల్ లా.
Yes.
ప్యారలెల్ లా సిమిలర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పాము ఫార్ములా రాశాం కదా ఇక్కడ చూడు ప్యారలెల్ లా.
Yes, sir.
ఇన్ ద సిరీస్, ఇది సిరీస్ కదా, సిరీస్ ప్యారలెల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు C/N.
Yes, sir.
అంటే
Number of
at that time I can write directly this one as of your 6C divided by 3.
3. Yes,
This
sir.
will
2C.
become for me how much?
2C, sir.
2C.
Yes, sir.
2C
Now
and
2/4.
2C and 4C ఎంత అవుతుంది
6C, sir.
6C. I'm writing here right now.
Again,
This
all
2C,
these are in.
yeah, this 2C and this 4C.
Yes, sir. That is
In which
6C, sir.
combination? Parallel combination కదా.
Yes, sir.
So parallel combination అంటే 4C plus 2C, that will be equal to 6C.
6C.
That
Yes,
means
sir.
here it is becoming for me or 6C. This 6C again will be in which combination beta?
2C, sir.
So
Series.
this will become 2C.
Yes,
This
sir.
2C and this 4C.
Again parallel, sir. 6C,
They are
sir.
in parallel. So this will be your 6C.
Yes, sir.
Again, this 6C and this 6C will be in what? Effective. So this
Series,
will be
sir.
equal to your how much?
2C.
That means this will be equal to your 2C. That will be the answer.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes. Yes.
I hope you got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So like that we can go on do for your series and as well as of your parallel combination.
Yes, sir.
Adhamayinda?
Yes. Sir.
See this question. C effective across A and B. Number A. First one to it. This is one capacitor here. Second capacitor. Third capacitor. Fourth capacitor. Go on up. This one is up to infinity. Okay, na? First one is having a capacity of your C. Next one is 2C. Next one is nothing but 4C. Next one is nothing but of your 8C. Okay. This is one capacitor. This is one capacitor. This is one capacitor. Like that up to infinity. This is your point of your B. So,
Yes, sir.
they are going up to infinity. Kada? So which combination this will be better? Series.
Series, sir.
So it is 1 by C plus 1 by 2C plus 1 by 4C plus 1 by 8C plus so on up to infinity.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? What is common in this one, beta? 1 by C is common. So
Yes,
this will
sir.
become for me 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus so on up to your infinity.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So this can also be written as right now 1 by C into this one is 1 plus this one is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube plus so on like this.
Yes, sir.
అంతే కదా? And it
Yes,
is
sir.
going up to what? Infinity.
Infinite.
So this is what is the common ratio between them, beta?
So
1 plus 1
we
by 2
can
మధ్యలో common ratio ఎంత? 1 by 2 కదా?
1 by 2. Yes.
1 by 2 plus 1 by 4
And it-
మధ్యలో common ratio ఎంత? 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
So I can
Yes,
use
sir.
your geometric progression. So it
Yes,
is
sir.
1 by C. This will be equal to first number is nothing but your 1 divided by. This will become how much for me beta? 1 minus common ratio 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So this is your 1 by C into this is 1 by 2. And this will become how much for me beta? 2. And this will become for me 2 by C. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 2 will go up. So answer is nothing but 2C. That means C equivalent will become how much for me? So C effective will become how much for me? C by 2.
Yes, sir.
C effective is equals to your C by 2. Chinda?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా మళ్ళీ సార్ చెప్పనా?
అర్థమైంది, sir.
ఇది జామెట్రిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ లో ఉందన్న. GP.
Yes, sir.
కామన్ రేషియో ఎంత? 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
ఫార్ములా గుర్తుందా? S of
Yes.
your infinity terms is equals to A minus 1 minus of common ratio. ఫస్ట్ చెప్పాను నేను.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే. ఇది కూడా అంతే. C effective across A and B. Okay. Capacitor is given like this one. Let me take this shape. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is point A and this is your point B. Go on అట్లా ఓకేనా?
Yes.
ఫస్ట్ దానిలో కెపాసిటర్ ఇక్కడ, దాని తర్వాత 2, దాని తర్వాత 1 2 3 4, దాని తర్వాత ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు ఈ రెండింటి మధ్యలో 8 కెపాసిటర్స్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ
Yes.
కెపాసిటర్ అండ్ ఇక్కడ కెపాసిటర్, దీంట్లో మొత్తం మళ్ళా 16 కెపాసిటర్స్ ఇట్లా. All capacitance are C. This one is C. This one is C. This one is C. 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 Everything is C right now. This one. This is a combination. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
tell me how do we do it out, beta? C. These two are in which combination, beta?
Series, sir.
Series. How much it will be?
1 by C plus 1 by C, that is C by 2, sir.
Similar కదా
Because C
similar
by
ఉన్నప్పుడు
N.
C by 2 రాసుకోవచ్చా?
C by N. Yes, sir.
C by N formula. This will become
Yes,
for me how much? C by 4. This will become for me C by 8. This will become for me C by 16.
Yes.
అంతేనా? అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
అంతేనా లేదా? C effective series combination ఎట్లనో C
Yes,
effective
sir.
similar ఉంటే
All are
C by
same.
N.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Similar capacitors కి. Isn't it? C equivalent will be equal to how much beta? So C equivalent will be everything in which combination now? One above
Everything
the
is
other
in parallel, sir.
parallel.
Yes,
So parallel means above will become for me how much? C. Next one is C by 2. Next one is C by 4. Next one is C by 8. Next one is C by 16 plus
Yes,
1
sir.
up to infinity పోతూనే ఉంటుంది అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
So C equivalent will be equal to C common. And this one is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 up to your infinity. Again, what is the common ratio, beta?
1 by 2, sir.
1 by 2. So that means I can write this one as 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So this will become for me how much better? 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. That means 2C.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So C equivalent will become how much for me your answer? 2C will be the answer for this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
See? So that way we need to do. This is a basic thing only. ఇంకొంచెం మంచి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ రేపటి క్లాస్ లో వేద్దాం మనం.
Okay, sir.
ఓకేనా?
Yes,
అర్థమైంది
sir.
కదా?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
మన కాలేజ్ మెటీరియల్ కూడా ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటే సీరియస్ పార్లల్ కాంబినేషన్ తీసి చేయవు సార్ మొత్తం ఈరోజు.
Okay, sir.
ఓకేనా? టైం ఉందా అయిపోయిందా?
ఇంకా 5 minutes ఉంది, sir.
సో ఫార్ములాస్ క్లియర్ కదా అందరికి? ఇంకా కాలేజ్ ఇంకేం చెప్పారా? ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయి దీనికంటే ఎక్కువ చెప్పారు? ఇంకా
లేదు సార్, ఏం
డైరెక్ట్
చెప్పలేదు.
చెప్పారేమో.
ఇంకా యాక్చువల్లీ ఒక బ్రీఫ్ లెక్క ఇచ్చారు సార్. ఇంకేం ప్రాబ్లమ్స్
ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా చేయండి. ఫార్ములాస్ ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా ట్రై చేయి. అండ్ ఫార్ములాస్ అన్ని ఒక చోట పెట్టుకో. ఎట్లా నీ దగ్గర బుక్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఈ రోజు ఇమీడియట్ గా సిరీస్ కాంబినేషన్ బుక్లెట్ సెపరేట్ గా మీకు వర్క్ బుక్ లో క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి మంచివి. అవును కదా? వర్క్ బుక్ నుంచి క్వశ్చన్స్ చేసే రోజు.
ఓకే సార్.
వర్క్ బుక్ నుంచి వైడిఎస్సి పైన కూడా ప్రాబ్లమ్ చేశాను.
ఓకే సార్.
వైడిఎస్సి నుంచి వర్క్ బుక్ నుంచి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటే అన్ని చేసే ఈ రోజు.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే బేటా, టేక్ కేర్, బాయ్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, బాయ్.